Oh, hello, I'm Dounia Chraa. I am postdoc researcher, and as an Immunopaedia ambassador, I have to do an interview with a scientist, immunologist, actually, and I couldn't find a better immunologist than Professor Abdallah Badou, who has a great experience in immunology, but also in tumor immunology. So I'm really honored to receive you today for an interview to chat up a little bit about immunology and about tumor immunology. So Professor Abdallah, can you just give like a clear introduction about your course of career, your research of interest?
Yeah, hi, Dounia. Thank you very much for inviting me today, and thank you very much for selecting me. As I'm very honored, actually. So in terms of my career, I have started it in France in 1992 with a master's degree at Université Paris 5, donc Paris 5, and after that I pursued a PhD in University Paris 7, Paris 7. I started actually that PhD training in L'Hôpital Broussais, and after that there was a change of location of the whole lab, of the entire lab, who has moved at that time to Toulouse. So we went to Toulouse, to the south of France, to finish my PhD thesis. So I got my PhD thesis in 1998. I decided after that so actually my PhD thesis was mainly about, I almost always worked on CD4 positive T cells, their activation, differentiation, their role in different types of diseases, including autoimmune diseases. And our goal there was to understand in a T helper 2 autoimmune disease, which was induced by mercury chloride, was to understand how mercury chloride induces IL-4 production in a setting where we have an autoimmune or a T helper 2 type autoimmune disease, and we found the involvement of a type of calcium channels. So we have shown that mainly using pharmacological approaches. And after that, I went for a postdoc, a long postdoc actually, to the US, to the United States of America, from 99 to 2007. I worked as a postdoc fellow, then a postdoc associate, then associate research scientist. And there actually we used mainly molecular and genetic approaches to answer actually the same question, which is what type of calcium channels are expressed at the surface of CD4 positive T cells. And this was very important at that time to understand, because knowing the type of calcium T cells would help us to target them, basically, especially in autoimmune diseases where we need to attenuate and to inhibit T cell activation in some type of situations. So at 2007, I came back to Morocco, not to Casablanca, where I'm from, where I'm based initially. I went back to Safi from 2007 to 2014, where I worked as a professor, as assistant professor, and then as associate professor. And then I moved back to another university, which is the Faculty of Medicine and Pharmacy in Casablanca in 2014, where I'm still. So I'm now as a full professor. I got my full professorship in 2018 at this same university, where I'm still right now. So yes, so actually, when I moved to Morocco, I kept working on, of course, CD4 positive T cells and the immune cells in general, but focusing now on the tumor microenvironment and then this interaction between immune cells and the tumors in different setting, mainly in breast cancer and brain cancer.
Perfect.